Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. So, in front of me I have clean tool and I'm going to use this brush. If you haven't clean tool, you can also use a toothbrush. And I am going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now, you need to find charging contacts. So right here and right here we have them, and apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts if you have isopropyl alcohol. So let's go on the left and right one, and now let's clean it with a brush. Here we go. Now let's move to the right one. Then I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol also at the charging contacts or in the charging case, and I will clean it with a brush. And the left one. After that, I recommended to clean the grill, so we need to remove ear tips from your earbuds. Right here we have the grill. Let's clean it. Okay, and the right one. Here we go. Now let's attach them, and we can put it to the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.